Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are fine. In this video I am going to talk about top 5 government scholarship available in our country India. Government scholarship with an objective to make education accessible for all. The Government of India and the state government run numerous government scholarships for students pursuing their studies at different levels. Regardless of the caste, creed, or class to which you belong, various scholarships offered by central and state government cover almost every student in the country. So now talking about the scholarship, first of all talking about the Coal India Limited Scholarship, a scholarship catering only to engineering students on the basis of merit cum means every year. The applicants are assessed on the basis of rank secured in the qualifying entrance exam like IIT or AIEEE. The candidates applying for Coal India Limited Scholarship should be an Indian national and not more than 25 years of age, not be employed, not be a benefactor of any other scholarship, come under Project Affected People (PAP) or Project Affected Family, pursue a full-time graduate course in college run by the central or state government. The list of documents required while applying for this scholarship includes the scholarship application form, birth certificate, photo identity and resident proof, 12th standard mark sheet, proof of rank in the qualifying exam, caste certificate, and a certificate for physically challenged. The deadline of submission varies, so check before applying by the link which is given in the description area. So now talking about the next scholarship, that is Inspired Scholarship. Innovation in Science pursued for Inspired Research Scholarship is administered by the Department of Science and Technology, that is DST. The scholarship entails 3 compartments: Scheme for Early Attraction of Talent, that is SEAT, Scholarship for Higher Education, that is SHE, and Assured Opportunity for Research Careers, that is AORC. To enroll in this government scholarship for graduate and postgraduate degree, one should be a student of natural and basic science, lie under the top 1% of merit students in 12th standard, have the rank within the range of top 10,000 in JEE Advanced or JEE Main or NEET. To check the institutes and to apply for the scholarship, you can visit the link which is given in the description area. Talking about the next scholarship, that is Top Class Education Scholarship. It is an initiative by the Government of India to encourage ST students to pursue bachelor's and master's degree. The scholarship is open to every subject and can be evaluated in any of the institutes identified by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. However, the family of the candidate should not have an income of more than Rs 4.5 lakh per annum. Also, the scholarship holder should be a student of a notified institution. The student can benefit from the scholarship until the completion of the course with satisfactory performance. For staying posted for the deadline of this application and for more information, visit the link which is given in the description area. Talking about the next scholarship, that is Merit cum Means Based Scholarship. This government scholarship is for graduate and postgraduate students belonging to minor SC, ST or OBC community and can be reimbursed for 85 listed institutes across the country. The scholarship will not be given to more than 2 students from a single family. Anyone applying for the scholarship should have secured at least 50% marks or equivalent grade in the previous final examination, be a part of competitive examination, be a holder of a single scholarship scheme under the central government. Any applicants whose family income is more than 2.50 LPA cannot enroll in this scholarship. To know the more details, visit the link which is given in the description area. Talking about the last scholarship in our list, that is CSSS. The Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship for College and University Student is administered by the Department of Higher Education in order to provide financial assistance to students aiming for higher education. For this, a student must meet the following criteria: above 80% in 12th board examination, the applicant must pursue a regular course, distance learning or correspondence will not be considered. The family income should be less than Rs 6 lakh per annum. The interested candidates should not be enrolled in any other scholarship program. The required documents while filling the form are the bank passbook for bank details, Aadhaar card number, parental income certificate, and caste and disability certificate wherever required. To register, visit the link which is given in the description area. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.